Hey Virion. Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media. Top 4 Best Portable Sewing Machine Review. Number 4. Specifications: condition, new, weight, 0.77 kilograms, power, 6V, maximum sewing thickness, 0.6 mm, model number, 101 SCFRJ, feed mechanism, manual, mechanical configuration, flatbed, stitch formation, overlock stitch, type, mini sewing machine, origin, mainland China. Number 3. Product sell points: what sewing machine brand is the best sewing from home for company high efficiency automation, features automatic trimming for enhanced work efficiency, optimizing productivity in sealing tasks, stable and high power, equipped with a 150 kilowatt high power motor, ensuring stable performance without adding weight, ergonomic design. The matte insulated handle is ergonomically designed for comfortable manual operation. Number 2. This 110-220V heavy-duty metal sewing machine offers 99 zigzag patterns for creative flexibility. Equipped with locking edges, it handles fabric securely and is ideal for household sewing tasks, clothing repairs, and DIY projects. Its robust metal frame ensures stability and longevity, delivering professional quality stitches. Number 1. This portable mini electric sewing machine is perfect for home crafting and quick mending. With a presser foot pedal, it's user-friendly and ideal for both adults and kids learning to sew. Compact and efficient, it's great for on-the-go repairs or creative projects. If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.